Electronics recycling is the proper disposal of used or new electronics. We have 2 permanent 7-day-a-week collection facilities here in Fairfax County for the collection and proper disposal of used electronics. Our first location is the I-66 transfer station, and our second facility is the I-95 landfill complex, which is located in Lorton over on Furnace Road. We accept a wide variety of electronics for proper disposal, including TVs as well as miscellaneous electronics. We accept laptops, stereo equipment, CPUs and towers, monitors, and other such various electronics equipment. Proper disposal of electronics is important because it prevents toxic or heavy metals that are often contained within miscellaneous electronics or TVs from entering our environment. It helps to promote environmental stewardship.